Yes, good afternoon, students. Now we are starting the chapter Understanding Marginalization. Very easy chapter. So first of all, beta, we will discuss what is the meaning of marginalization. In simple word, beta, marginalization when a group of people or communities are excluded from the majority because of their language, customs or religion. It is called marginalization. In simple words, beta, we can say that when a certain group of people, beta, are pushed to the edge because their culture, their religion is different from the majority of the group. And obviously when a certain group of people pushed to the edge, it means they are not given the facilities that are enjoyed by the majority group. This is marginalization, right? So in this chapter, beta, the two group of people is given in your chapter. One is Adivasis, second one is Muslims. So first of all, we will discuss about the Adivasis, beta. Adivasis, first you know that Adivasis is also known as tribals or scheduled tribes. In India, beta, on government official records, beta, Adivasis are termed as scheduled tribes. In short form, this is known as STs, scheduled tribes. Okay? And Adivasis generally lived in close association with forest. It means maximum need of the Adivasis are filled within the forest. It doesn't mean that all the Adivasis only live within the forest. No. Close relationship means surrounding of the forest as well as in hilly areas or the backward areas you will find the Adivasis. But mostly they are associated with the forest because their livelihood is depend upon the forest. But now there is a sudden change in the life of Adivasis. Okay, due to deforestation, and as you know, deforestation is take place by variety of reasons. When the governments set up the industries or private industrialists started to mining, then the group that affected most is Adivasis. Because they lived in the forest areas, they lived in the mountainous regions. That is why when the government acquired the land where the Adivasis are lived, so they affected very, very badly. And obviously they left their places. And now the Adivasis moved to the cities for their livelihood. But before 1950s, Adivasis were completely dependent upon the forest for their livelihood. In India, Adivasis are found in everywhere, but majority of the Adivasis are concentrated in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Okay? So majority of the Adivasis are lived in the West Bengal also, in these states. Adivasis are culture, their religion is completely different from the majority of the people of India. Primarily they are worshipper of the nature. Right? It means they consider that mountain, rivers, plants, everywhere there is a spirit of supernatural power. So their religious practices is completely different from majority of the group. In the same way, their language is also different from the rest of the people, means majority of the people, right? And one drawback with Adivasis is that Adivasis are stereotyped in the sense you observe that whenever anyone perform the character of Adivasi, so use the headgear, colorful costumes, but actually this is the culture of the Adivasis. But majority of the people consider that they are the backward people, they are the primitive, they are not the people who have the knowledge of modern science or technology. Means majority of the people consider they are backward, primitive, illiterate. But reality, this is not true. This is the part of their culture. And after 1830s, many Adivasis moved to the plantations. Britishers needed the laborers to work in the plantation. For example, tea plantation in Assam. So many of the Adivasis from the Jharkhand or the surrounding areas moved to work in the tea plantation. And not only in India, but many Adivasis also went to the abroad, Caribbean, Mauritius, etc. by the Britishers. And nowadays, the Adivasis are moving to the different countries, different cities in India, because their livelihood is in danger. Their home is taken by the private companies or the government in the name of development. They are evacuated. And when the Adivasis raise their voice, they consider as the encroachers. That is why in different cities you will find in many petty works Adivasis are involved. Okay? Now due to the length of the video we concluded, and the next video we will send very soon. Thank you.